Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here. Back into the break. Today, opening a hanger box of 2020 Panini Mosaic football. Thank you to Up North Collectors. They were nice enough to sell me a box, a hanger box, as well as a mega box of Mosaic. I've been unable to find anything in my area thanks to the MJ Holdings rep in my area buying up all the product himself if there's no one there at the time of him stocking. He's been buying up the entire stock. If there's $1,500 worth, he buys it all, takes it all for himself. I doubt he even puts it on the shelf at this point. Puts the tags up, throws it in the cart, and heads to the checkout. But hanger box exclusive autographs, 20 cards, 1 silver or mosaic per box on average. Look for rookie variations at the top 2020 NFL draft picks. I believe the variations are going to be in their college uniforms, from what I've seen. Hanger box exclusive 4 mosaic reactive orange parallels. So let's just get right to it. Again, thank you to Up North Collectors. I'm sure most of you guys have heard of them. Here we go. This will be my first break of this year's Mosaic football, and I do like the format. Well, that one came undone a little bit, but they've got them in these black boxes now. All right. Well, of course, that flap was open a little bit. I guess I should have left it. Look at that, because now I can't get it. Oh, come on. There we go. Don't really want to cut down in there because the cards are right in there. I'll just throw that off to the side. Oh, they're kind of stuck in there. There we go. Kid Reporter. All right. I do love Mosaic. So we got Tremaine Edmonds. A little bit of dust on him. J.J. Watt. Card dust, that is. Kyle Fuller. Len Dawson. Alvin Kamara. Josh Allen. Carson Wentz. DK Metcalf. Second year. Devin McCourty. Save. I guess we'll save the parallels for last. Touchdown Masters, Drew Brees insert. Got Game insert, Aaron Donald. Cole Kmet, NFL debut. Joshua Kelly, rookie. Dan Marino, Hall of Fame. Lynn Bowden Jr., rookie. Von Miller, base. Devin McCourty, and the silver Amari Cooper, silver mosaic. I don't think... Nope, not variations. And these are really nice looking. Alright, orange reactive Pro Bowl. Kenny Galladay. Next, not a rookie, Tyler Lockett. And the last one, not a rookie either, John Brown. So not the greatest hanger box. The cards are really nice looking. I love the parallels. Did get a couple of rookies. Lynn Bowden Jr. and Joshua Kelly. NFL debut, Cole. But the cards are definitely nice looking. I do have, oh, I just dropped them. I do have the Mega Box, so I think I'll open that up. But there you guys go. That was a hanger box of 2020 Panini Mosaic. Nothing major in this one, but that's how it goes. The cards are sweet looking. DK, oh, come on. Look at that. There's a dent in the card. Come on. Man, I've not been having good luck with quality control with retail this year. Tops or Panini. But there you guys go. 2020 Panini Mosaic Football. Thanks for watching, everyone.